Good morning, everyone. I am Sring Duskit.
And I'm Dejan Choru.
We warmly welcome you all to the monthly news bulletin of our school. This is a new initiative by our media and communication team. The aim of this program is to inform, inspire, and connect the school community while developing students' communication skills and digital literacy. This news bulletin will be shared every month on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with us. The month of May was filled with meaningful activities, inspiring visits, cultural celebrations, and achievements in sports. Let's take a look at the highlights.
We begin the month on 2nd May with the heartwarming Grandparents' Day celebration. Students from nursery to class 2 visited an old age home, spreading love and happiness through thoughtful gifts and cheerful interactions.
On 5th May, our school was honored by the visit of Her Excellency Ms. Chavanar Thangsamphen, Ambassador of Thailand, accompanied by our revered Genle. It was a memorable occasion that strengthened international friendship and cultural understanding.
Hello, everybody. You are very beautiful kids, the most beautiful kids around the world. And I really feel grateful to all of you.
On 7th May, students attended an inspiring session by Dr. Ishwar Basavarthi, a renowned yoga expert and former director of the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. He shared valuable insights on yoga, meditation, and the power of the mind.
The same day, Dr. Bini Sareen from the Brahma Kumaris delivered a special spiritual session focusing on peace, meditation, values, and stress management, as well as the famous 3 filters of life. Is it true? Is it good? Is it useful?
On 11th May, we welcome students and teachers from Darshanam Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya, Ahmedabad. The Culture Exchange program featured vibrant performances and strengthened bonds of unity and learning.
Sports enthusiasts showcased their talent during the inter-house basketball tournament. The preliminary matches held on 16th May and the finals on 27th May highlighted teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship among students.
A major highlight of the month was the celebration of Ladakh Day on 19th May. As you all know, Ladakh Day is celebrated on 19th May every year, commemorating the birth anniversary of His Eminence the 19th Kyabje Bakula Rinpoche. At Mahabodhi, the day was celebrated with great enthusiasm, remembering and paying tribute to Rinpoche.
The key highlights of the event included the inter-house traditional dance competition, a food and cultural exhibition by different houses, and a special exhibition by junior classes, all of which beautifully showcased Ladakh's rich heritage and culture.
The event was blessed by the presence of our most revered Guruji, Bhikkhu Sangasena, Kamipam Utsal, Director Ladakh Theatre Organization, and Mr. Choldan, Deputy Registrar CIBS. Mudita House won the first prize in the traditional dance competition.
In their speeches, Gain Sangasena and Kamipam emphasized the importance of remembering the contributions of His Eminence the 19th Bakula Rinpoche and following the right path shown by him.
Mabudina Yotkani, Devachan campus Yotkani member staff Sangmanang, Mabudi residential school in Silkani, Girganang, Laptruk Sangme, during Rinpoche Skumduni, Khada Sangma, Ituchose, Denangzin Gata, Dulchasi, Koshishan.
On 22nd May, students of classes 9th and 10th participated in an engaging career counseling session conducted by the Gyan Setu team from Pune, encouraging scientific thinking and career awareness.
The parent-teacher meeting on 23rd May was conducted in the presence of our revered Genle and school leadership. Discussion focused on students' well-being, discipline, academic achievements, NCC activities, and holistic development. Also, on the same day, our foundational teachers visited the Diet Center, where they explored innovative teaching-learning materials, STEM activities, and math and BOTI labs, gaining valuable ideas for joyful and experiential learning.
The month concluded with a peaceful and transformative yoga retreat for class 12 students from 31st May to 1st June, promoting mindfulness, self-discipline, inner peace, and holistic well-being.
These activities reflect our school's commitment to academic excellence, cultural preservation, character building, and holistic education.
Thank you for joining us. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you and have a great day ahead.